Hello all, welcome to GK community. Learning new. Today we will learn about important objective bits about basics physics and chemistry. Please like, share, subscribe our video so that you can get direct notification whenever we uploaded the video. Without delay, let's get into the video. First question is, who has been called as father of modern science? Answer is Galileo. Second question is, who designed first pendulum clock? First pendulum clock designed by Christian Huygens. Third question, the inertia of a body depends on. The inertia of a body depends on mass of an object. That fourth question is, Newton's first law of motion is also known as law of inertia. Fifth question, the momentum of a body is the product of mass and its velocity. The SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second. The SI unit of force is Newton. It's also defined as kilogram meter per second square. Eighth question, the principle behind the brilliance of diamond and optical fiber is total internal reflection. Ninth question is, refractive indices of diamond is 2.42. 10th question, a force which changes only the direction of the velocity of a body is called as centripetal force. 11th question, who introduced force of attraction between moon and earth? Answer is Newton. 12th question, the distance of moon from center of the earth is 3,84,400 kilometers. 13th question, the state of freely falling body is weightless. 14th question, the component of the solution that dissolve the other component in its called. Answer is solvent. 15th question, the component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent is called solute. 16th question, naphthalene and water is a mixture of, is the example mixture of heterogeneous mixture. Here you can see the difference between the heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. The particle in a colloid solution can easily scatter a beam of visible light is known as Tyndall effect. Which technique is used to separate the colored pigments in plants and flowers? Chromatographic technique. 19th question is, separation of two miscible liquids is done by distillation. 20 question, separation of two or more miscible liquids when their difference temperature is less than 25 degrees is called fractional distillation. 21 question, who invented the element like sodium, magnesium, chlorine and bromine? Answer is Sir Humphrey Davy. Who used the term element first? Answer is Robert Boyle. Who has given the definition of element? Answer is Antoine Lavoisier. 24th question. Who has been regarded as father of modern chemistry? Answer is same as above. Antoine Lavoisier. Who proposed law of constant proportion? Joseph Proust is a French chemist. 26th question. Who proposed basic theory of about nature of matter? Answer is John Dalton. 27th question. The word atom is derived from Greek word. 28th question. Which is a fundamental of all particles that has independent existence? Is atom. When particle of substances contain only one type of substance is called element. How many elements discovered so far? So far 118 elements were discovered. 31 question. What is the atomic symbol for silver? Atomic symbol for silver is Ag. Atomic number is 47. What is the symbol of gold? The symbol of gold is Au. Atomic number is 79. Which layer protect us by UV rays from the sun? Answer is ozone layer. It will protect from sun. Atomic mass expressed in atomic mass unit, also known as Dalton. Which element is the best conductor of heat electricity? Silver is the best conductor for heat electricity. 36th question. What material does not conduct heat? Answer is insulator. 37th question. Which metal is the poor conductor of heat? Answer is lead. Which element the highest thermal conductivity of any gas? Answer is hydrogen. Which element is cheaper and most commonly used conductor in household? Answer is copper. Which are soft, malleable, ductile and are good conductors of heat and electricity? Alkali metals. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.